Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Savannah and today I'm going to be filming this look here. It's a little smoky, it's a little green, and it's lots of fun. So fucking awkward. So if you want to see me create this look, then just keep watching this video. Peace.
Alright, let's get started. So I already have my brows done and my skincare applied. So first I'm going to apply this Power Plump Lip Balm from Buxom. It's like color changing and it's hydrating and it gives your lips a nice pink, pouty, plump look. Then going in with the Benefit Porefessional Pearl Primer, I'm going to be just kind of placing this in my problem areas like my T-zone, and I'm just going to press it into my pores to fill them in and make everything look nice and smooth. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Liquid Foundation. This one is in the color Aspen, and I'm just going to be taking a damp booty blender to blend all of that out. Then I'm going to go in with a little concealer. This one's from Benefit. It is the Boing Industrial Concealer. I just have the lightest shade, which I think is number 1. It's not really a highlight shade for me, but it kind of blends in. I'll also kind of blend this onto my eyelids as well because I kind of use it as my eye primer. It works just as well to me as primer because I don't really have oily lids or anything like that. Then I'm going to set everything with my Kat Von D translucent setting powder. I just kind of press the powder in just to kind of, you know, make sure everything stays in place and does not crease. So for this eye look today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. It's so pretty. First, I'll be taking New Wave. It's a really pretty golden yellow orange shade, and I'm just going to be blending this into my crease. This is going to be my transition shade, and I'll just be winging that out at the edge as well because I like the shape that it gives. Then I'll take what's left over on my brush and blend it underneath my lower lash line to add that color there. Now going in with Untamed, which is a nice olive green, I'm going to be applying this to my lid. And I'll just start by kind of slowly building up the color first and just packing it onto my lid. Usually I would use a flat brush to pack shadow, but I don't know why I was kind of using a blending brush, but whatever, it worked. I think because I was trying to kind of blend it out at the same time I was applying it. Now I'll be going in with Destiny, which honestly is, you know, even more olive toned color. I'm going to use this at the edge of where my transition and the lid shade meets to help blend and make it look softer. Now taking Axis, which is a dark, almost a teal kind of green, or maybe forest green, I don't know, I'm not good with naming colors, but whatever. I'm just going to apply this to the outer V area just to slightly deepen up that area and make it have a little more contrast. Then going in with Electric, which is one of my favorites from the palette, of course, because it's glittery and weird. But yeah, it's like a yellow-green glittery shade. I'm going to be applying this as my highlight in my inner corner as well as underneath my brow. And then going in with the good old Kat Von D ink liner in Trooper, I'm going to be creating a winged eyeliner. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes off camera, and I'll be using for mascara the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I love this stuff. It really lengthens. It doesn't really thicken a heck of a lot, but it does make your lashes look very long and defined. Then I'm just going to go in with some Too Faced bronzer. This one is the chocolate Soleil bronzer. It's my favorite, obviously, but I'm just going to do kind of a lazy bronze. I'm just going to put a shit ton all over my face, as you see. Give myself a little bit of color so I don't look so pale. And to be honest, it's about time for a new one. Maybe I'll try something different. Who knows? But after that, I'll be adding blush. I'll be using Becca Flowerchild blush just to add some healthy color to my cheeks, you know. And for lips, I could have done a nude, it would have been pretty, but I wanted to go all out. So I'm using this one from Melt Cosmetics. It's called Blow. I forgot the name. But yeah, first of all, I'm going in with, this is actually a NARS eyeliner. It's kind of a black with green reflex in it. I thought it would be really pretty to complement this look and define the outer edge of the lips. So yeah, I'm just going to be lining my lips with this and then filling in the other space with the lipstick. So for highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Aurora palette, and I'm going in with Helia, which is the kind of greenish highlight. And yeah, I'm just going to be using my fan brush to apply that to the tops of my cheeks and on my nose and chin. And going in with ink liner again, I'm just going to add some little dots underneath my eyes because why not?
Well guys, you made it to the end, so that means you've won a brand new car. Just kidding. You're really cool though. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video, and please subscribe before you leave because that makes me happy. Bye bye now. Got a little ASMR going on here. If that doesn't give you nightmares, I don't know what will.